Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell about the metabolism of bilirubin. So to understand the bilirubin, we first have to understand the structure of hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is basically a conjugated protein made up of 4 subunits. Each subunit contains a heme group and a polypeptide chain. The heme group is made up of porphyrin and ferrocyan. Hemoglobin can reversibly combine with oxygen and transport oxygen in the body. That is, when not needed, it can do its reaction reversibly, so that every time it is available for the oxygen transportation. Now, understanding the RBC breakdown into heme, and in the presence of heme oxygenase it converts into biliverdin, and in the presence of enzyme biliverdin reductase it gets converted into bilirubin. The globin chain gets its conversion into amino acids, and iron is liberated as a result. Now, components of bile, which is chole. What would be the components of this bile? Understanding this, first we have bile acids, or we can say bile salts, protein, water electrolytes, cholesterol, conjugated bilirubin, and HCO3, that is bicarbonate, to neutralize gastric activity, and phospholipids, example lecithin. Now, understanding it through a diagram, suppose this is the liver, then we have bilirubin, which is till now, before reaching the liver surfaces, it is unconjugated. Unconjugated as in it has indirect Van der Waals test, fat soluble in blood, therefore bound to albumin in blood, so that it can easy in transportation. Now, if it is reaching the liver, there is active uptake, binding with cytoplasmic proteins. It gets conjugation with glutamic acid in the presence of an enzyme known as glucurodyl transferase. Now, after this, when it gets conjugated, it is now excreted into the bile duct. When after this bile duct, it enters the duodenum. This conjugated bilirubin, which is now water soluble and has direct Van der Waals test, and now it is also known as cholebilirubin. Since the duodenum has E. coli natural bacteria in it, it converts it into urobilinogen, which is excreted via kidney in the form of urobilin, excreted in urine as urobilin, not as urobilinogen. Another fate which can happen with urobilin is get oxidation and converts into stercobilinogen, which gets excreted through the normal brown color of stool. That's it, and thank you for watching.